Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sticker text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text and go to the effects tab, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select I'm trying to wait for it to load. I feel like it was here somewhere, but it's something like this honestly, but there's like another one with like 3 colors like this one. You can actually just choose any that you like, but it has to have like a white outline so it looks like a sticker. So like for instance this one, and I'm just going to type in sticker, go to font and select the font that you want, adjust the font size, and here in stroke maybe you can add in like more thickness to it or not if it's like an effect. But if you're just like adding a normal one here, you can just choose this one instead, and you can select like the color that you want like this, and then in stroke you can even like adjust the outline a little bit more. I quite like this one a little bit better than that, so we're going to use this one. And to add in those like textures, just go to effects and go to texture, and I like to add print 2 I think, and or was it print 1? I'm just going to add both, and I like to add in like the folds for one on top of that. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!